Okay, hot tub, lots of fun. So really simple to open. Just click open the latches here, one on each side. And then you're just gonna flip the cover open once. Just goes halfway over. And then the rest is on a hinge. So you're just gonna do it one more time. It's gonna lean back against the deck here. And this is the hot tub. It's designed for 7 people. So just keep no more than 7 people in at a time, and it's still a ton of fun, lots of space. Controls are real simple. Temperature set, we didn't want a kid putting it up to 120 degrees and hurting themselves, but the jets, this is low jets, really simple. This is high jets. And then these are some fun light features at night. Turn the jets off, just push it. And these are knobs that control the pressure of the back massage, and then this is the knob that controls the waterfall feature. Guys, when you're done at night, please make sure the cover's back on. We don't want the heater running super hard all night, so just bring the cover up, flip it back open, and just make sure you latch it up and just put it back just how you found it. And that's a hot tub.